Thank you very much, Karen. And as you heard there, the tour starts on January 18. Now, the Jamaica Scorpions squad for the regional Super 50 tournament was named on Tuesday, but there is still some uncertainty surrounding the players who will join the team in Antigua. Renata Brown now reports.
All-rounder Rovman Powell and top-order batsman Andre McCarthy, who are away with the West Indies team in Bangladesh, have been named to the Jamaica Scorpions squad for the Super 50 tournament in Antigua next month. The two will join the rest of the squad in Antigua, but chairman of selectors for the Scorpions franchise, Junior Bennett, has admitted that there is some uncertainty surrounding the protocols for those players joining the squad.
Well, we're still not certain about that at the moment. What we do know is that when you leave a biosecure environment to another biosecure environment, the quarantine time is less, probably 3 or 4 days. However, there's some discussion around it is not a chartered flight and what will happen in the airport and those sort of things. So we still have to wait on some words on that.
In the meantime, Bennett admitted that it was not easy to finalize a 15-man squad given the situation caused by COVID-19. He also spoke about the exclusion of fast bowler Marquina Mindley.
Well, it was extremely difficult to come up with a balanced squad for this tournament here. And as you know, Mindley would be one of the players that we have a long discussion centered around. And because the entire pandemic was so difficult, when the selection panel met, we leaned toward the technical team because only one day-to-day would have seen some of these youngsters because you could not have any trial game, any practice matches or whatsoever because of the pandemic. So on most occasions, training will be centered around 4 or 5 players per session. So if they're even looking at 10 players for the day, it will be 5, probably 5 in the morning and 5 in the evening. So it was extremely difficult to get everyone. So the combination of it, look at it, that is the 15 that they come up with.
Powell, who will join the squad after the one-day international leg of the West Indies tour of Bangladesh, will have medium pacer Derval Green as his deputy. Left-handers Paul Palmer Jr. and Romain Morris, who both played for the combined campuses and colleges in the last tournament, have both been included alongside left-arm pacer Sheldon Cottrell, who last represented the Leeward Islands Hurricanes in recent times. All-rounder Fabian Allen, who was listed as doubtful last week, joins Shane Thomas and Brandon King as the other West Indies players named in the squad. There are also 2 first-time call-ups in the form of former West Indies under-19 player Javor Royal and Javel Glenn. The full 15-member contingent reads Rovman Powell, Derval Green, Aldane Thomas, O'Shane Thomas, Brandon King, Paul Palmer Jr., Fabian Allen, Jamie Merchant, Javor Royal, Odin Smith, Sheldon Cottrell, Dennis Bulai, Javel Glenn, Romain Morris, and Andre McCarthy. Renata Brown for TVJ Sports.